How to schedule Instagram posts on Vista Social. Instagram thrives on visual content, but timing is everything. Vista Social allows you to schedule Instagram posts so you can plan, preview, and publish content without being glued to your phone. Here's how to do it in under 5 minutes. Start by logging into Vista Social and connecting your Instagram, business or creator account. From the main dashboard, head over to the Content Planner. Click Create Post and choose Instagram as your platform. Upload your image or video, write your caption, and include hashtags or mentions as needed. You can also tag a location and even preview how the post will appear in the feed. Next, instead of publishing immediately, hit the Schedule button. Choose the best day and time for your audience, whether it's peak evening hours or early morning. Make sure your time zone is set correctly in the settings. Vista Social's intelligent scheduler even suggests optimal times based on past engagement data. Once scheduled, your post will automatically go live without further action. No push notifications, no manual work. You can also queue up carousel posts and IG Reels, giving you full control over your Instagram content strategy. To access all these features, the link to join Vista Social for free is in the description. It's perfect for creators, marketers, and businesses looking to streamline Instagram posting. Consistency on Instagram builds trust. With Vista Social, you can maintain it effortlessly.